name's Stephanie Ayala. I graduated in the inaugural class of BCom 2020, and I'm currently practicing emergency medicine. It's definitely, chaotic at times. That kind of comes with the territory, but it's also very fulfilling. I wanted to become a doctor because my mom was an ER nurse, so I got exposed to that really early by, being with her. She was a single mom, so there were times where we didn't have a babysitter or childcare. I would go to work with her. And then also just kind of going along with her to classes when she was in nursing school exposed me to medicine early. The inaugural class piece specifically was such a strength for all of us because we had to not only get through med school, but carve our own way, being part of like a new class and a new system, which I think just turned us into natural leaders. And then the clinical rotation experience in terms of being in settings where there weren't residents and being first call for basically any kind of procedure, that really was a big strength because by the time I started residency, I had already done a lot of procedures that most of the residents hadn't had access to yet, just based on that clinical setting. My advice for the current students would be that you have to treat it like a marathon, take it day by day. Don't forget about the bigger picture and just remember to keep your cup full so that way you're able to show up each day and give the best that you can.